A chatbot building platform. There are several platforms available that allow you to create a chatbot without coding, such as chatbot.io, MobileMonkey, and Tars. A messaging service. The chatbot needs to be integrated with a messaging service such as Twilio, WhatsApp, or Facebook Messenger to enable SMS communication. Training data. To make the chatbot understand and respond to user inputs, you will need to provide it with training data, such as sample conversations or frequently asked questions. A natural language processing (NLP) model. An NLP model is required to process and understand the user's inputs. Some chatbot building platforms come with pre-built NLP models, while others allow you to integrate your own. A webhook or an endpoint. A webhook or an endpoint is required to receive and respond to the messages sent to the chatbot. An SMS gateway. An SMS gateway is needed to send and receive SMS messages. Once you have these in place, you can design the conversation flow and create the responses for the bot.